Unlock the true power of your automated workflows by injecting custom code directly into Zapier. Today, we're diving into Code by Zapier, a game changer for anyone who needs to go beyond pre-built integrations. This incredible tool allows you to run small snippets of JavaScript or Python right within your Zaps, opening up a world of possibilities for complex data transformations and advanced automation. Imagine needing to format data uniquely, extract specific information from a text field, or perform calculations that aren't natively supported by your connected apps. This is where Code by Zapier shines. We'll walk you through setting it up, step by step. First, within your Zapier editor, after your trigger and any initial actions, you'll want to click the plus icon to add a new step from the available actions. Search for and select Code by Zapier. Once you've selected Code by Zapier, you'll be presented with two crucial options: the programming language, which can be JavaScript or Python, and the input fields. Think of these input fields as the data you're passing into your code. You can map data from previous steps in your Zap directly into these input fields. Now, the magic happens in the code editor here. You'll write your custom script. For example, if you're using JavaScript, you might write a few lines to manipulate a string, extract a specific date format, or perform a simple mathematical operation. If you're using Python, you have access to its powerful libraries for even more intricate logic. After writing your code, it's essential to test it. Click the Test and Review button to see what your code produces based on the sample data from your input fields. This is your chance to catch any errors and ensure your script is working as expected. The output from your code step will then be available to use in subsequent steps of your Zap. This allows you to clean, reshape, or enhance data before sending it to other applications, making your automations incredibly powerful and tailored to your unique needs. So, whether you're a seasoned coder or just starting, integrating custom scripting with Code by Zapier empowers you to build truly bespoke automations that adapt and perform exactly the way you envision. Start experimenting today and elevate your Zapier game.